The first game of the night, jump between the youngster Lewis and number 6, the sharpshooting Benjamin Maala. This game is brought to you by R&D Sports Department. Jump win by Nugget. Control and goal. Looking for the series. Very pass number 28. There's the jumper. Rebound by number 6, Mala. Now to the ground. Below. There's the jumper. Pass over the rebound. Hey. So over. Black ball. Stolen by Younger. Yes, good. First play. First 2 points. Rebound by number 23 is good. Lewis. Potential. Pass number 10. Jumpers Field. First 2 points for the highly playing players. That's Susana. Looking for number 7. Rebound. Pass number 28. Now to Lewis. Against Lewis. This is Mazel. Shot over. Rebound controlled by Lewis. Sulmana. To the player, retrieve. Rebound controlled by Nugget. Leah double rebound by this Sosa. Now this Sosa rebound by Mala. Body head is good. Now score 6-2. 8 minutes and 2 seconds. Alas by number 4 is Sonnen. Every under Jenny Leah is good. Now 8-2. Now there is some. Tsunami. Good. Up by Clearance. Rima by Panchalo. Mr. Roman. Hesitation over. Against Sama level, rebound by Mala. Mala is good. Now 10-2 is the score. 3 rebounds for Mala. Aaron Parakapin. Chapel reaps the score. Parakapin for teams. Now to the Sosa. That's the one now. All over to rebound controlled by Rupon. Pass to Zilson. Now to Ama. Against the right door. This is a rebound by 7. The lead is down to 3 with 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Now to the 94. No hesitation, good 3 rebound. Hey, black ball. Now 200. Pull up jumper, rebound by Clearance. Outlet pass number 13. The player with an easy jumper. Now the score is 12-7. 6 points already for the young girl. Now number 7. Back to number 3. Another steal by the orange team. Now to number 3. Let's pass to the 24. Fingers down. Rebound by number 7. Rebound for the ball. Now there is on. The good one by Luzon. They are rebound by the team. Third rebound over here is now Mr. Hesse. Rebound by Nava. is good. Good line. Good line yan. No? Third line lang yan. Now, let's check it out. Mr. Rebound by Morris. Uy, let's switch 5. Gini. Hindi pa na sunod yung tempo, 40 minutes.
Cramps yan, cramps.
Now, it's number 11. So, rebound by Morris. Mr. by Morris. Follow, Mr. 14-9. Now, what is that? Recover by 1. Pass to Lama. Pass to the rebound secured by Lama. One rebound on the team. Jumper rebound by out that pass to number 4. Hesitation. Leon is good. He's Scooby-Doo. By number 4. Now to the couple. Back to number 2. And jumper inside. Jumper rebound by the ball. Out that pass. Is so that by the ball. Uy, nasa bawal. Kaya din yan. Walang 2020 vision. Wala. Sudah it. One, three, split rebound of the game. Alright, a back ball. That's number 4. Ama. That's number 1. Number 3. Rebound by the Prince. Uy, rebound secure by pressing the ball against number 6. Fadeaway shot over by the service. Number 13, Mr. Nick Shake. Derek Williams commits his first personal foul. First foul. Two Wheelers for Allen Nugget. First time for Nugget is good. So it's a Parico, Emily Parico. So try for Nugget. 2, Allen 2. For Allen again. Now, Zoom is still in pass number 11. The pass number 11. Back to rebound secure by 11. Now to the Prince. Keeps a pass to Dennis. Nice pass number 11. Now to ready. Losing his muzzle. Change 15-14. To Machado, pull up 3, is good. Machado, 4-3. Regains the lead for Equipo Uno. To Ama. Pass to Luzon, back to Ama. Back to Luzon, 4-3. Out of the pass to Machado. Leon is good. To the Mama. There's a move inside pass to the goal. Now to the rest. Jumper, rebound by the Prince. Out the pass to the lead. There by Canterbury Hill. 5 points for Joy Alvin. Solid, but single. Wilson. Pass to Lennis, down to Lama. Now it's again. Hesitation. Tries to move. That's this you for Lobby. 6 points for Arnavi. Now we have another young age. Shot from Arnavi. Pass to Yusuf. Other pass to Lama. Jackson for left and one. First of second bonus video for Mr. Bellarama. Is 6. We got the game now to Mr. Lingo Shea. Yeah, not yet. Shot by Banjaro, 2 points. 23-19, now 7 points for another draw for everybody. Ball number 13, Realness, 7 points overall, 13 down. 1 bonus video for Alex. Then go again. Now to the hits. 40 seconds. Now Sumala. Pass for the 11. Yes, good. Back to get ready with 28 seconds. Now to Baby Amma. Pass number 16. We got it, shot down his off. 15 seconds. Wow, that's a lot. That's good. 8 seconds. Come on, 3 seconds. Lose. Official score 28-22 at the end of the first quarter. Now to the younger. And the 3-point continue with the ball 6 rebounds for Justin Support. Now, hesitation. Shot number rebound by Amma. Blocked by number 21. Now to the ball. Corner 3. Rebound by the younger. Now to Makala. Pass to Fatua. They always do. Assist by Makala. Now look on. Against Ui, what a shot. Against the green. To the girl. Ui. Spinning defenders. Pass to Fatua. Pull up from we got Lailuso. Now to Amma. Easy layup for the youngest guy on the floor. 30-24. Here's the score. Now to the red corner. Back to the red corner. Now to the sharpshooting Mara. Pull up jumpers. Good. Now Mara. 8 points. 6 points. For Mala. Marianes for 3. Goal. Rebound by Kapatuan. Mahala. Sabi niya. Si Ama. Ama. Yes, we got another rebound for just a little more. That's good. 6-14. Get the young Filipinos. Pass number 21, the Prince. Rebound by Lawrence. Two against one. Rebound back to 1. First rebound, 145, 194 points. Rebound by Wilson. Pass to Ama. Takes the break. Now to Wilson. Pass to 4-3. Rebound by number 94. Now to Wala. Hesitation move. Step back jumper. That's good. 10 points. 9 rebounds. 8 rebounds. Guillermo. Ganado na interview eh. So, Allen Nugget. Zigzagging 3. First 2 points. Stop the second quarter. So, Besasa. No basket. So, Nugget. Jillian is good. Yeah, that is good. Is good. Yeah, it's good. Still a 4-point lead for Equipo against Equipo. Now, only 10 points against the number 4. This is our own action. He's good. Next, 5. That's Sudah Andres. Langsung 4-point lead. Desasa. Yang another ring of the shot. Pass to Butcher. That's it. Says it. Only 35. That's it. Rebound was right by Wilson. 4 rebounds for 8 on Wilson. Now it's number 11. Back to 6-30. Next 5 and now. Still a 12-point lead. 12 points for Christopher Ama. The entrance of Mr. Lomba. Time out. Equipo 2. Time remaining 4 minutes, 52 seconds. Still a 4-point lead for Equipo 2.
Late dumating ang mga player. Late dumating start.
That's good. Now it's a 2-point lead. Another second shot for Gonzalez. Good. 10 points for Gonzalez. Exhibition. Good, rebound by the Sosa. 9 rebounds for them. Step back 3. Rebound control by Gonzalez. Rebound by the Big Salah. Now 7-point lead with 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Allen, pass to the goal. Allen pass to Lucky. Allen using his buzzer. That's good. Now to the to Ama. Still, one Sosa. Quick steal at the night. Peter step, fast in the way. Big over there, bring him in the ball. Leave out by this Sosa. He goes there, back from the way. Mr. Rambam, the gas is good. Now 9-point lead. Barangay. Sumunod. Barangay Sosa. First there. Barangay. Lagi nas. Uy, wala yan. Barangay. 18 points. Sosa. Another 3. Rebound controlled by Mr. Mango Shake. That's JRD, but there's a foul. Foul number 4. First person about first rebound, 2 windows for Alexander Conchavo. 13 points already on sneak. Another bonus window. 2 out of 2 for Junior Longbrown. Now Emma. Pass number 7. Now Suzanne with 18 points. Lay out that bonus of foul. Number 21, the Big Salah. First person of our first team foul. Sue Chinese for number 16. First is good. Sue, 1 points in concert. Since 1-4-1. Rebound by the Prince. Pass to Dennis. Mr. Halima is good. And Mango Shakes on there. So, one checkpoint lead. Under 2 minutes remaining. Because still 9 minutes in. See ball. Seconds on that. 2 minutes. Still to the middle. That rebound in the middle. This is the first down point lead. That pass to this was Jenny Harris with Ayana. Normala yun na. Sabi ni Jenny. Nawala si Jenny. Uy! Kaya na lang. Single. Shot at 18 seconds. Pass to Dennis with a rebound back down Taylor. Jeremy. Big pass over the head and another speed. Next game, the runner for number one. Still by number 94, Versosa. Mark steals. Now to number 8, pass number 11. Back to number 94. Virtually. Robin. 63.4, now 19.3. Now to Wilson. 23, okay, give up one more. 31, now to Pachado. Yes, yung series master, meron ka pang master. 65, 34. And with the goals there.
Pogi, oh. Ang pogi naman. Late na, wala pang short. Hey, good. Good.
Siguro tayo gusto.
Prep.
Igual seguro tayo pass to the general. As the general is good. Now 18 points. For Pachado. Now 2 points. Pass to now 4 points for Luis Dennis. Now to this suspect, the young girl. Pass to the middle. To the tree. That's That's 19 points for Alex Manchero. Pass to this. Now Dennis. To the tree. No good. Orange bottle. Easy chance. So, points for Alexander Pachado. Shot by is good. Now to the Sosa. 4-3. Double rebound by Rubon. 9 rebounds for Justin Rubon. 4 is stolen by Junior Longa. Pass to Manala. Up the glass is good. 12 points for Daniel Laga. Now Emma. Size 0, yeah, rebound by 10 rebounds. And a put back. Okay, rebound by Lunes. High is mine. Now, go ahead, rebound. Oh, it's good. Now, give Silvara, the Snyder one of the dreams. 3-point shot over the rebound by Davis. 8 rebounds for Mr. David Shake. Now to number 28, Lawson. Pass to Anna. Now to Anna. Centurion, Rivers there, Evans there. Now this Sosa, Leandro is good. Now 22-20. Yeah, let's do it. Back to 30-20. With 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Nakacharaw ang nalagay ko ng dalawang ang nagod. Ibabay ko yung ama. Rebound, you got that charaw. Ang pass to the ara. Against the youngster, squid rebound by Ray. Amoy papadala ng araw. Besosa. Baseline, dribble siya. Rebound, Yamara. Nagsultan sa'yo, ang nag-suli. Kung ano na interview eh. May part ko yan. Yan yan. Parang leaders, kaya Alex Lazaro. Hesitation nyo. Kaya rebound by players. 9 rebounds. 7 by Nugget. Now 23 points for our Nugget. Well done, Chado. Looking only 16 more of the game. We got Barrios. Our pass to Ama. Pass to Muliga. Oopsie doodle. We got Barrios. Spinning shot. There's the foul. Foul number 13. Yes, it's a still close to the foul. First try for Nugget. Now 24 points. Zimmerman is good. 2-2. Now 25 points for Allen Nugget. Still a 29-point lead. Now Besosa, here's the pass to Mr. Brianes. Only jumpers. Brianes now 8 points. Still 21-point lead. Next fight, maganda tayo. Kasi next fight. May 5 pa ba kayo? Time out. Keep rolling. Kita siya no. Pass to closer. Rebound Barrios. 9 rebounds for the youngster. Now is good. 26 points for Arma. Destroyed by Denver Nugget. No, serious good. 27 points. Still 25 points. We go. 11 rebounds. For Justin Moore. Nugget. Hesitation there. Rebound secured by the young player. Oops, layup is good. The smiling layup for Kenneth De Sosa. Para gusto rin magpa-interview. Ay, sayang. Third over. 93-66. 27-point game. Nagpa-practice na si Kenneth na hindi na para sa interview. Nabala ko siya Orange ball. Salamat sa mga Onyx natin dyan. Kay Candy, kay Inoy, at kay Coach. Gabi ba? Grabe, pero na formal si KQ. Gabi pa rin sa akin. Gabi Porgy. Oy, rebound by number 5, CJ Martin. Now, Besosa. Pass to Junior Roma. Now, Sumara. Closer is good. points na yun. Para gusto na interview. 60 points for Mara. Arribas, down for the rebound by number. Pass to the wrong way. For the Candy Ladies of the rebound, by the total 6 rebound of the game. Another 2 of the rebound by Mara. Pass to the number 1. Rebound by Mara. Aman. The babyface assassin Amalea cover. Rebound secured by number 11. 6 rebounds for the cover. And 50 points, 3 more shot and 3 more by Our pass to Justin. Rebound by Nagarisco. Now 28 points for Nugget. Now to the pass. Back to the back number 6 with number 80 points for action. 4 assists. Another rebound for number 11. Second rebound for number. Bounce pass to Junior Longa. Good job. That's good. Gusto na kami pa interview. 29 points. Score by recover by number 4 to Junior I'm remaining 1 minute and 22 seconds. Still a 33-point lead. Easy there. 29 points for Ama. Pass number 11. With a carry shoes. Entry of the Limabar Jonas. Control by the ball. Follow, always good. 10 rebounds for the youngster. Namala from the free throw line. 80 points for the dear Namala. Shout out and Coach Jackie Brian Gabino from the parking lot. This was a country. Stolen by number 11. So Junior looking for 64. Oh, come on. What a shooting performance by Alex Tejano. 30 points. 33 points for Baby Ama. Baby. So, ang prinsipe sa which will score 108-7. Out to the younger. 3 is good. The smiling face. Looking for an interview. Easy layup by Ama is good. Nakakapalas ko sila interview. Gano'n ko na yung mga bakit na already. Number 43, Lima Palama, pass number 7 is good. To number 11, 43. Off the glass. The bag is open on the Saturday night. Ama, pull up jumper is good. Grabe, mga parihay ko. 37 points for Ama. De Sosa has to patuwa down to junior number Sumara. Looking for a teammate. Shot clock 3 seconds. De Sosa. Official score 170 to 80. Pass. Say pass yun. So, shot is good. Uy, may pang-mining na. Tumantalo. From the board, 4-9 to River Maramara. Shot. Shot by Kuya Jay Cruz. Ibang De Sosa. Looks it good, was good. Showtime sa De Sosa na nakulit na lang. Bakit? Interview na rin yan. Ibang, so bayo mo. Palawa, is good. Mara. We have 3-point shot. Rebound by Luso. Luso rebound. Pass to the lower chance. To report. Uy, grabe. Rebound ni Mara. Pipili pa. Uy, grabe. Rebound by Las Vegas. Down the floor. Stepping up the line. Shout out sa Team Olympics! Grabe ang sumorpa. Kay KQ. Pass to Luso. Jumper is good. 6 points. Wala. Pass to the Chalo. Looking for 7-3 pa rin lagay ko. Ibang Barnes. 11 rebounds for the youngster. This was another 3-point shot. Rebound Barbara is 16 rebound. Low service good. Correction 15 rebounds. Parang gusto ka nung interview. Uy, sayang. Turnover. Ganami kasi ano. Wait, isa ba? Isa lang. KQ in the house. Coach! Team KQ. Team Coach. De Sosa. Plus 90 days. Coach Sinulia. Ibang Barbara. 16 rebounds. Uy, kumangga ba? Grabe. 16 rebounds. Ilang puntos na yan? Para may starting na ito. Rebound by De Sosa. Shot. Rebound by Luso. To number 4. Let's see there is good. So, by Lama. Advance time ako pag-tipla. People siya, ano ba ba niya dyan? Uy, ibang ba? Using his muscle. Sumala, bring your line. Uy, grabe. Control by Mr. Rogba. Looking for the 7 rebound again. Uy, sayang. Tapos na. Take the ball. Yeah, it's good. finals na yan, ha? Tumagod. Hesitation. Dapat lagi. Simple. Sarap. Dahil ayan, dito ayan. Nag-lapis na yung nag-floor. Now, kapatuan. Ganda. Mr. David Case na ang school. Hindi na masya yung stats mo. Pass to the Prince. Ayun to the Marina Rescue. Take place. Pass to the bonus good. Take 38.7 rebounds, 6 assists for Cristo Malaman. Kung mag-time out naman kayo. So, papalitan mo ko lang yun. Tumala. Huwag na maraming na. Hindi, grabe. Kaya si Crisosa ng meron mo.
3.
Kaya mo yung numbers mo. Ama, 40 points. Sorry, kaya mo. But there's a foul. Foul number 6 Makala produces first personal foul. First team foul. Hindi grabe ang hindi. Number 4, Leia Rescue. Now Mala. Last to the other. Full of 3. Oh, like that. Ulan ng 3. Malaki. Last to the 4. Kaya naman the 3. Clearness. Lima naman po, back to clearness. Lima pa ito. Ulat ang mamay. Sara, ang munting prinsipe na tumira ng 3. Limabay naging. Ahen, 3 ko na naging. Uy, grabe naman yung player nyo. Dahil po 29.8 na magkano. Ang nalagsipo siya, ito yung limabay ng polo. Leia Rescue. Kala mo niya ba? Ay kako, nagsabi niya, Rescue. Under 2 minutes. Ama, no sir, hindi ka ba na? Siya Rescue, tama. 46 points for Ama. Rebound pa. Now sa long is 15th rebound. Now Tulama, hesitation, 3 points there, rescue. Now 48 points for Alma. So the next one. 3 points shot is good. Si Jerry na naman ang dress. Baluso. Now Ama looking his score is 58 point of the game. Oh, 50 points! Grabe. Umagal pa yan. Siya, sumagot. Silang gawin na by Portuguese. Shot by the chemistry. 3 points by the ball. Now, 2 Looking for another triple. Shot, no, rebound by Mala. Mangala, yan ay maalala mo yan. 10:55, starting out is good. 2 points. Down to 13 seconds. Now Ahmad. First 50 points of the tournament for the individual player. Galing pa ng patera yan.